Hey friends, my name is Miss Diana and I make playing piano fun and easy here at the Dynamic Piano Studio. Today, I'm teaching you your first 4 songs which are perfect for any beginner. Regardless if you've ever had a piano lesson before, you're gonna walk away able to impress your family and friends. So grab your keyboard, let's jump right in. But before we do, don't forget that you can grab the sheet music down below in the show notes where you can download it, print it, and have it there in front of you. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified of future tutorials. Let's jump right in. All right, so let's take a quick look at how our finger numbers work. We're gonna start with our thumbs are 1, then you have your 2, 3, 4, and 5. So go ahead and wiggle them. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. All right, let's jump into our first song. All right, my friends, so I'm going to walk you through our first song together. I like to start out with what I call a look and listen. So I'm going to go ahead and play it through for you first. Just take a look, listen to how it goes, and then we'll walk through it step by step. Does it sound familiar? Hopefully so. Let's go ahead and set up our hands first. So we're going to set up our right hand first, RH, with your 1 on the left of the 2, 2, and 3. Left hand's going to set up next, 2 black keys, 1, 2, and 3. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Starting with our right hand first. 1, 2, ready, let's play. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, and hold. 2, 2, 2, and hold. 3, 3, 3, and hold. Now your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, and hold it with that arrow and stop. Now you're going to move on to your personal practice time. So go ahead, pause this video, grab the sheet music that you have. I'll have it here on the screen for you too, and play it through 2 to 3 times. Come on back, we'll move to song number 2. All right, my friends, let's move into our second song. So you're gonna see it right here. It's Twinkle, Twinkle. We have a new hand position, so let's set that up first. I love this thumbs up, yes. All right, so you're going to start with your 1 on D. Every finger gets a key. So between the 2 black keys is where your right hand is going to start with your thumb. And then your left hand is only going to handle this 1 note here. So these are our 2 starting notes. Let me go ahead and play it through for you first so you can look and listen. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Left hand, 1, 1, right hand, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 4, hold. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, left hand, 1, and hold. Right hand, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, and 1. Hold again. 4, repeat. 3, 3, 2, 2, and 1. Good, let's keep going. Left hand, 1, right hand. 4, 4, 5, 5, 4. Hold. You got this. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Left hand, 1. Yes! Awesome job, my friend. Feel free to rewind, do it again with me, but if you're ready for personal practice time, go ahead, pause this, play it through 2 to 3 times, come on back. We got our third song coming up. All right, welcome to Jingle Bells. Now with this song, we're only going to be playing with our right hand. So we're going to start with our 1, our thumb on that 2 black key group to the left, C, and then we're going to have each finger have a key. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take a listen to how it goes. Let's look and listen. So it's 1, 2, ready, let's play. 3, 3, 3, hold. 3, 3, 3, hold. 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, and hold, hold, and hold. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, and 5. Let's keep going. 3, 3, 3, hold. 3, 3, 3, hold. 3, 5, 1, 2, and 3, hold, hold, and hold. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 4, 2, 1, hold, hold, hold. You got it, my friend. Remember, you can rewind, play it through with me one more time, or go ahead, pause, practice, play through by yourself, and come on back for our fourth and final song today. All right, here we are in song number 4. It's Ode to Joy. Go ahead and look and listen. All right, here we go. Let's get started. So our thumb, our 1 is going to start on our C, and then every finger gets a key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand begins with your pinky on the C, and then every finger gets a key. So you should have 2 empty keys between your hands and you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and get started. 1, 2, right hand ready. Let's play. So it's 3, 3, up to 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, and hold. Now we're down to our left hand. 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, You got it, the whole thing. All right, friends, if you need another run through, go ahead and rewind, play it through with me one more time. If not, pause, practice, grab your sheet music, again, found in the show notes below, and then come on back. We're going to celebrate. Friends, you did an amazing job today. I'm so proud of you. I can't wait to see you again at our next tutorial. Don't forget, look down in your show notes below. You'll find the download to your sheet music. Also, be sure to like and subscribe so that you are notified of all upcoming lessons that are happening here at the Dynamic Piano Studio. I'll see you again soon. Keep playing, having fun, and keep shining, my friend.